Most senior gadgets sold online are overpriced junk built to fail in weeks. Buy the wrong one and you waste cash and end up frustrated. Ever feel overwhelmed by tech that forgets what seniors actually need? This video breaks down the best gadgets that simplify daily life for older adults. Today, I'm going to be going over the best gadgets for seniors that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the Hatch Restore 3. From the outset, the Hatch Restore 3 strikes me as a thoughtful, sleek companion designed for seniors seeking simplicity and reliable nightly rituals. Designed for seniors and caregivers, Hatch Restore 3 prioritizes simplicity, clear tactile controls, and a calm, familiar bedtime environment. The selling point rests on predictable routines, reducing decision fatigue at night, and offering a reassurance that sleep preparation remains consistent. The build quality combines a soft-touch plastic with a matte white shell, delivering a refined bedside presence. Its compact footprint on the nightstand ensures it occupies minimal space while remaining easy to access for seniors. The design is purpose-driven with a screen-free interface and large tactile buttons that are intuitive after daylight hours. Standout features include a sunrise alarm clock, a built-in white noise soundscape, and a soft ambient nightlight. The sleep program library offers guided routines and a sunset setting to ease the transition to slumber each night. The 30-day Hatch Plus subscription provides ongoing access to premium content and additional sleep coaching articles for deeper learning. In real-world tests, the device reliably shifts lighting gradually, avoiding abrupt changes that could wake a resting sleeper. The audio system provides multiple volume ranges and a selection of 70 to 80 sleep sounds, enabling tailored acoustic environments. In practice, the routine automation reduces time to wind down, and the quiet hardware supports steady bedtimes consistently. Compared with Philips' Smart Sleep Wake-Up Light, the Hatch Restore 3 offers more customizable routines and a broader content ecosystem. The pros include screen-free operation that minimizes cognitive load, durable build quality, and a rich library of sleep content. The cons include higher price relative to basic alarm clocks and recurring Hatch Plus subscription costs after the trial period. At number 4, we have the EZPIK Grabber Reacher. From the outset, this Reacher feels purpose-built for seniors and caregivers seeking reliable assistance with daily grabbing tasks. The build emphasizes durability with a robust lightweight alloy shell, precise joints, and a compact profile that remains comfortable during extended use. This lightweight yet sturdy design accompanies a foldable mechanism that folds compactly for travel and storage without compromising grip. A magnetic tip enhances retrieval of small metallic items like nails and coins, while a robust latch prevents inadvertent release during use. The grabber includes clip-on tubes compatible with walkers and wheelchairs, enabling easier access for seated users without pinching or straining wrists. In practical testing, the Reacher comfortably handles everyday trash and small objects up to roughly 5 pounds without bending or loss of grip. Constructed from a corrosion-resistant aluminum alloy with a magnetized tip, this tool resists rust, maintaining performance under daily household conditions. The long handle and smooth triggering mechanism reduce wrist strain and allow for precise placement during everyday tasks and rehabilitation. The combined magnetic tip and foldable design also simplify cleaning and storage, enabling convenient one-handed use during routine home tasks. Smart attachment options such as clip-on tubes and magnetic nose assist reaching under furniture or around chairs without awkward repositioning. Compared with a basic non-magnetized Reacher, the EZP offers a stronger magnetic tip and more versatile clip-on accessories for metallic items. The pros include a durable build, a magnetic tip that simplifies pickup tasks, and a foldable design that eases travel and storage. The cons include higher price relative to basic Reachers and slightly heavier weight that may strain extremely sensitive users over long sessions. At number 3, we have the EarCentric EasyCharge Hearing Aids. From the outset, the target audience appears clearly defined as seniors seeking reliable amplification with a discreet, comfortable fit and simple controls. The device showcases a premium brushed aluminum shell that conveys durability while remaining fashionable in everyday wear around the ears. It ships with regular and long ear tubes, letting users customize the fit to their ear canal length for improved comfort. The kit includes regular and long ear tubes, expanding fit options for users with different ear canal lengths and comfort preferences. Construction uses medical-grade materials that minimize skin irritation, support long-term wear, and maintain form with glasses every day. A USA-engineered digital core drives voice enhancement and adaptive noise reduction, balancing loud, crystal-clear speech with quiet background suppression. The control system uses a simple one-hand operation for volume and program switching, enabling seniors to adjust settings confidently. Designed to fit 90% of mild to moderate hearing loss profiles right out of the box, reducing the need for immediate tweaking. In practical testing, battery life surpassed expectations with over 20 hours of continuous use per charge and a rapid 3-hour recharge. Adaptive noise reduction minimizes ambient chatter and low-level background noise, helping voices stay intelligible even in bustling environments. User satisfaction is robust, with thousands of positive accounts and a dedicated support network contributing to a broader, growing community. Compared to standard disposable battery aids, the EarCentric EasyCharge reduces ongoing maintenance while preserving clear voice pickup and simple daily use. The pros include rechargeable convenience, discreet and comfortable fit, and 12-month warranty with round-the-clock support. The cons include a premium price relative to basic models and limited color options, which may deter budget-conscious buyers seeking simplicity. At number 2, we have the ERGO Bottle Opener. From the outset, this 3-pack ERGO Bottle Opener signals a practical, no-fuss solution for seniors and arthritis sufferers seeking effortless access. Its lightweight and keychain attachability promise unobtrusive everyday carry, enabling quick bottle access in kitchens, classrooms, or travel scenarios. The design clearly targets seniors, elderly users, and caregivers who value leverage and grip when twisting off plastic bottle caps. The housing uses a robust, lightweight construction with a smooth finish that resists everyday wear and offers confident grip. Despite its compact footprint, the ERGO Bottle Opener yields leverage that fits caps from 25.5 to 28 millimeters. The design highlights ergonomic contours that minimize pinch points and deliver a comfortable grip even for users with limited hand mobility. Attachment to bags and keychains keeps the tool readily accessible in kitchens, cars, or on the go without cluttering everyday carry. In field testing, the lever action delivers consistent leverage and the non-slip surface reduces slippage, cutting effort during bottle openings. The overall reliability during real-world use stands out, with consistent operation across multiple bottle sizes and easy handling for fatigued hands. Field testing confirmed the design reduces fatigue during repeated bottle openings and proves comfortable for prolonged usage across multiple bottle sizes. Compared to a standard metal bottle opener, the ERGO Bottle Opener provides more leverage and requires less twisting effort for seniors. The pros include 3-pack convenience, ergonomic lever design that reduces strain, and lightweight portability that easily slips into pockets and purses. The cons include limited cap size compatibility beyond the stated 25.5 to 28 millimeter range and a higher price. At number 1, we have the SSYA Digital Calendar Alarm Clock, a dementia-friendly timekeeper that clearly presents day, date, and wake cues. Designed specifically for seniors and memory care, this clock aims to simplify daily routines with a clear, readable interface and friendly setup. The 7-inch display with a 1024 by 600 pixel resolution spells out the time with no confusing abbreviations. It can be wall-mounted or placed on a table, giving flexible placement for kitchen counters, nightstands, or common living areas. The white housing presents a clean, approachable look that blends into most home decors and feels sturdy during daily handling. You can choose to mount it on a wall or keep it on a table for easy visibility and accessibility. Backup power behavior ensures the clock reliably reestablishes the correct time and date immediately once power returns after an outage. The clock offers a rich alarm system with 12 modes, including a single alarm, every day, weekdays only, and weekends only. It includes meal, medicine, and appointment tags for alarms to help seniors organize meals, medications, and appointments throughout the day. 8 languages are supported and multiple time formats are available, enabling easy localization for a wide range of users. Automatic night dimming engages in the evening and daytime brightness returns in the morning, offering 5 brightness levels plus an option to disable. The backup feature makes sure time and date stay accurate after power recovery, which is crucial for memory care routines. In real-world testing, the large display reads clearly from a distance, and the alarm labels remain easy to understand. Compared to a basic digital clock, the SSYA Digital Calendar Alarm Clock offers clearer labeling, more flexible alarms, and a dementia-friendly design. The pros include exceptionally clear readability on the 7-inch display, highly versatile mounting options, and extensive alarm customization that covers diverse routines. The cons include a higher price point than basic clocks and a reliance on an AC adapter rather than battery power.